Simplest form. A fraction is written in simplest form when the GCF of the numerator and the denominator are 1. The simplest form is one of its many equivalent fractions. Example. Write 18 divided by 30 in simplest form. I'm going to show you two methods. I can find my greatest common factor by stating all my factors. So for 18 I have 1, 2, 3, and I know the next one is 6, so 3 times 6 is 18, so 2 times 9 is 18, and then 1 times 18 is 18. And then for my factors of 30 I have 1, 2, 3, not 4, 5, and then 6, and I notice that 5 times 6 is 30, and so now I've gotten to the other end of my factor rainbow, so 3 times 10 is 30. 2 times 15 is 30. Think of that as the clock in two 15-minute increments is 30. And then 1 times 30. And notice that the greatest common factor is 6. So greatest common factor. And so if I take 18 and divide by 30, and divide this by that greatest common factor of 6, I get my simplified fraction. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. And so I get 3/5. Or you could do it this way. See, I have 18 divided by 30, and I see that there's a common factor of 2. So I'm going to divide both of those by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. But I notice that I could still simplify this because I see that a 3 can go into both of those numbers. So I'm going to divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, and 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and that matches what I originally found in the first method of 3/5. I can check my work. To see if the greatest common factor between those two numbers is in fact 1. So 3 and 5, the common factors are 1 and 3, and 5 has 1 and 5. And the greatest common factor in this case is 1, and so I know it's simplified.